Okay, so completely different project. This one is a PC. This PC came to us with a new processor to be installed. This was the fan that was on the CPU, and they bought a beautiful Intel i9-10th generation CPU, and it doesn't fit on this motherboard, unfortunately. This one is um, maximum, I think, 7th generation, I can't remember, but it doesn't take 9 or 10 generations, 11th generation CPU. We do have a replacement motherboard arrived, which we're going to install. It's in micro ATX as well. And alright, some bunch of stickers. SSD screw, backplate, SATA cables. Why so many SSD screws? No idea. Okay. And that's our baby. Alright. So what we're going to do, we're going to install these two. Along with the CPU and the fan. God, okay. Just noticed there is a thermal paste leaking. Okay. What we'll do, we'll clean that up and apply a new one. Nice. Black fan. That's a new design. And our beautiful CPU. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this. So what I've done in the time being, also cloned their C drive. They had a traditional hard drive to an SSD. Nearly 500 gigabyte of data to 1 terabyte SSD. And we're going to make this drive become secondary. They've got a GPU in there as well. Not sure which one, but it's working fine. So let's go ahead and do a disassembly of components. Should be easy one, I think. Here we go. If nothing goes wrong. Okay. There's a Wi-Fi card as well. It's an AMD RX 460. They seem a bit wonky. Anyway, as long as the internal cable is wired, that should be fine. Alright, so we're gonna kiss this guy goodbye. Now I've tested the SSD, it boots really quick, nice. It's a single 4-pin, I hope it will work. They mentioned they've got 32 gig RAM in here. So it's used for it will be used for a music production. This should be nice. Alright, so nice cable management here by M-Wave, who've installed it originally. Alright, so the hard drive, and it screws holding the hard drive. Looks like one screw, yep. Do I need to remove it out of position to remove the motherboard? Shouldn't need to, let me see. God damn. Okay. That is nice tight fitting. Okay. Alright. That's been removed. Okay. Alright. So the only thing we need from this motherboard are these babies. Yeah, they are 16 gigabyte each. One. And the two. Okay. I believe this one has an i3 CPU. Can't remember. So let's go ahead and bring our other motherboard. So we need to remove the back plate to match this one. Okay. The fan power cable is slightly in the way. Come on, mate. There we go. Come on. Really? You have to put that cable right there? Okay. 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 If that guy isn't flush, that's going to give us a big problem when installing the motherboard. Okay. That's fine. Now let's have a look at the new motherboard and connection layout. Hopefully no surprises here. Yeah, beautiful. There won't be much surprises. SATA 1, SATA 3, yeah, so we're going to put hard drive, SSD and the DVD drive. We'll need one more power. We've got two, okay, no problem. Okay. In terms of the front audio, we can figure that out, no problems. Alright, what we'll do the CPU now. Okay, 1 sec. We really want to take our time on this. No need to screw this up. Looking for the notch. Yep, that's right. In you go. Can't go wrong. Okay, nice. Now the heatsink is a bummer. Let's what should we do? I'm gonna put a little blob in the middle, and that will do. Thermal. Here we go. One of our secret formulas. And just in the center is fine. It will just spread everywhere. Okay, we'll change gloves. Time for operation. Okay. Our CPU cable is there, so we can just run it like that. That will be clean. Okay. Nice. Beautiful. Now we can install our RAM. And what have we got in terms of slots? We'll do, so this is one of those where only one side of the latch opens. So what we'll do, we'll press down here and then there, good. And then next one. Nice, they're all good. Okay, so the way we're going to put this, we're going to go in just like we removed the other one. We're going to go in this way. Okay, beautiful. That's wonderful, perfect fitting. Normally when it's perfect fitting first time round, that means I've screwed up something, so we'll find out if I have. Let's just secure the motherboard a little bit. Okay, good. That will do for now. We just want to see if this board will even boot before doing anything crazy. Okay, we go there. USB cable, let's get everything out of the way. This one seems to be slightly more to the right. Yeah, okay. Our motherboard ATX power cord is happily in there. Just double check. Yeah, good. Whew, that was a tricky one. Okay. Now front USB, no problem. So we got 2 for the hard drives, no problem. Yeah, DVD and D drive can go to these 2. Perfect. Front USB. This one the other way around. Good. Okay, front connectors. Which ones? I see. I think it will have to be this guy. Research the power switch. Let's do power switch. Okay, I want to see if this guy works. Now I don't know if the CPU has a GPU in it, so I'm just gonna not think too much. So this is the audio. That's it there. Yep. This is USB. Bummer, USB cable. They made it short. Cutters. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's just see how this will go with this GPU. See if it turns on, that's my main concern. Okay, HDMI. Alright, hopefully we won't hear any post because there's no speaker on this one. Okay. Power off, plug in, power on. Okay, some colors, good. Power button, good. Give me something on the screen. And do we see anything? We're still waiting. It's that. Where is the camera? Oh, here we go. Okay, AsRock, beautiful. So that means our CPU is recognized and GPU is good. And she may go into BIOS straight away or no operating system. Yeah, BIOS, 16 gigabyte. Okay. They've got 8 and 8, 16, not 32. Yeah, okay. So here, total memory, 16. Okay. So it's 8 and 8, 16, not 32. Okay, we'll let them know that it's actually 32. It's a 16 gig, it's a pack of 2, so they bought a pack of 2, which is very annoying the way they market. I think Kingston does that too. Super annoying, alright. Okay, let's do some of these cables. HDD LED. Let's do the reset. Reset usually on the power switch. Yep. And then the LED. Power LED that is. And then power button. And then the power button LED. Okay. See if those color coordinations are correct. I think so. Okay. At least power light is on. Okay. Got the power. That's done. That's done. These guys are done. We don't need that power. That's it. That's it. Okay, let's put some of the remaining screws on the motherboard. Okay, great. And the remaining ones for the GPU and the Wi-Fi chip. Now before the GPU, we're going to install the SSD as well. So that's going to be for the HDD. We got power and let me see what have we got here. We need one more power. Okay. Still one from the back. Okay, great. Just one there. Okay, so good. We sorted the power problem. And we need a SATA cord. Okay, so this will be for our SSD, which shall go where in this case? Okay, so this motherboard allows it to go here. Okay, yeah, okay. It's a bit of a shitty design. It's stuck in there. Okay. Now ideally, I want this guy to be one level higher, away from the heat of the SSD and whatnot. So what we'll do, we'll relocate the HDD one level higher. All right. I'm like Steve Irwin in the jungle. Okay, that's better. Yeah, now SSD can move freely. Now we need some screws for the SSD. For that we will use it's a covered case, so no one will see the color of the screws. It will be these guys. Okay, beautiful. Okay, nice. Nice, beautiful. Straight to port 0 of the board's SATA port. Nice, we'll give that a small cable tie. Put one more screw for the hard drive on the other side. And I think that's happy days, huh? Good. Nail that. Get a cable tie. Not that it really needs it. Hi. Okay. Now the GPU can go in. And crappy Wi-Fi card. I call it crappy because I had, I think, 2 or 3 computers not boot or have boot issues or random blue screen crash due to these TP-Link guys dying over time. There we go. Okay, that's nice. Shit. Okay, that's good. I think that's done. Now we need to change the BIOS settings so we can boot accordingly. And power button again. On. HDMI. In. Power button. Delete and F2. F6 for advanced mode. Alright, 16 gig for an advanced mode. Storage configuration, let's have a look. Good. Good. You want to boot from the SSD only? Yeah, why not? Okay, F10. Yes. So we should go straight into Windows. It might say hardware. Getting devices ready on the bottom because it detected a motherboard change. Let's see. Just don't want to show the username. Yep, that's all my mess. Organized chaos. Yeah, the hard drive light is on properly. Hope it's booting from the C drive, the SSD. Yeah, okay, it's doing that initial configuration. Yep, there we go. Okay, wonderful. We're at the login screen. Beautiful. I'll log in, see how it goes. Great, okay. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, system is working fine. i9-10th generation. Wonderful. Alright, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I don't think there is anything else. If there is, I'll continue the video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.